Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 ISO in your computer in a very simple way. It's completely free. First, you have to open any of your browser and simply come over into this website. Well, I'm going to give you this link into video description. From there, you can simply copy it and come over into this website. After coming over into this website, you have to scroll down a little bit and then here you will find download Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices. So if you click on select download and going to select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices, select it and click on confirm. And then here you need to select your language. So I'm going to select English United States and simply click confirm. And here you can see you will get a download Windows 11 English 64-bit download. So if you click on that and there will be a download option pops up. So if you click on the download, and the download will be started. So it's about 7.20 GB, so it will take 20 to 25 minutes, depends on your internet speed. So as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, you will get this the Windows 11 ISO. So this is how you can simply download and install Windows ISO in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another tutorial. Till then, goodbye.